The second location I will be sampling is the lab stool surface using a new swab. I will repeat the sampling procedure, trying to replicate the conditions of the first sample as closely as possible. This includes things such as surface area, pressure, and speed of sampling. Transport the swab back to the agar plate on the bench. Then decide which segment you are applying the swab to. Turn the plate so that segment is furthest from you at the back of the plate. Repeat the procedure for applying the swab to the plate. Again, try to replicate what you did when applying the swab from location 1. Keep the swab in the segment lines to avoid cross-contamination. Keep the plate closed and on the bench between sampling procedures. The third location I sampled was the lab floor. I tried to keep the procedures for sampling as similar as possible to the first two samples. With segment 3 at the back of the plate, I applied the swab, trying to replicate the previous sample applications. When sampling from the environment like this, it is possible that we could pick up some pathogenic microbes. Since we will be growing the microbes on the agar to large numbers, it is very important that the plate cannot be easily opened. We will use the method of applying 3 pieces of tape evenly around the plate. As instructed in the other video, we want to secure the lid to the base, but we don't want to block our view of the contents of the plate. Finally, when we incubate an agar plate, the plate is placed with the lid facing down, gel at the top. This prevents condensation that might accumulate in the plate from contacting the surface of the agar and possibly washing the microbes around.